Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is a Looker Studio tutorial for beginners. So Looker Studio was formerly known as Data Studio and it is a free tool from Google that helps you create interact dashboards and reports from your data. To use it, you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Looker Studio, and after that you will get the searches. From there you have to go with that first link, which is the Looker Studio. Once you click onto it, it will take you to this dashboard. On this dashboard you will see different sort of templates, and if you have done any work up there you will also find it there. But if you're new and you want to start your journey, then you can click onto this plus icon or maybe this one. It's up to you. Then you will get these options. You can go with report, data source or exploration as per your requirement. And after that you have to choose your country. It's not necessary that you choose your one, but you can just simply select any country of your choice. Then add the company name and click on continue. And after that, it will ask you if you want to receive the mails. So I would suggest that you can go for no, but if you want to receive the mails, you can go for yes and click on continue. Then it will show you different sort of connectivity apps like the integrations. So whatever you want to go with, you can go and select as per your requirement. There are third party apps also, but some of the ones that are by Google. So it's up to you based on your work requirement, choose the one, and after that whatever you select you have to authorize with your account. As I have selected the Google Sheets, therefore it is showing me all the content from my sheet, so I have to select which one I have to work on. Once you're done, you can also select onto this specific option if you would like to. Otherwise, click on connect, and after that, it will take you to this next page. So once you get to this interface, you will see this box up here. So this will be our like a dashboard. The work we add into it will be in the form of chart or maybe for whatever dimensions we want will get there. Like into this insert option, you can see we have different options through which you can visualize your data. So you can choose any one of that. And after that, we have all these options through which you can set up your data. On the right side, we have the dimensions and metrics. You can select them and select the options that you want to add. And on the right side in the dashboard, you will see their image like a visual representation in the form of a chart or whatever option you select. And then here you can manage your data, whatever file you have selected, you can manage the data here. So that's it. This is how you can use your data into Looker to visualize it into the form of tables, charts, or other options. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.